welcome to episode 7 of the van series. This week we're starting out in Munich, we've got the skateboards, and we're zooming around exploring. Hell yeah, let's go! The Eisbachwelle is very, very cool to watch. Let's go see how cold the water is. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm very glad that we don't need to walk everywhere. Skating around is much more fun and much quicker. This is so dodgy. Dinner was incredible though. Hello again. Today we spent pretty much the whole day driving down south, but we're now at Lake Constance and enjoying our last evening alone before we meet back up with my parents. Another day, another skateboard. No matter where we are, we're always skateboarding. This time we're in Constance and we're gonna go to the lake. We're on the way home. Alright, that's it. We're home for 2 weeks now before we head back out on the trip. Just to see our friends who are all leaving for uni. Yeah. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I just want to say thanks to everyone who's watching and all the family and friends giving feedback. It's really cool and motivating. Next week we've got a big video, so watch out for that. It's going to be really cool. Like and subscribe. Peace!